Okay, viewers, well, I did a test earlier one today with this cannon. Turns out that tennis ball is just a perfect fit inside that. It's a nice snug seal against that wall. It's the compressed air in there. Sure enough, I went about that far though. And let it make up a good connection to yeah, maybe to this or something. Have a quick release. One of these ball valves, big handle on it, just quick release at high pressure. See how that works. Then I'm going to try and make an adapter, something like this. Make a fitting that it can screw into. Like that. It's just an old Suzuki motorbike DR250 spark plug. Make it like a little bit of pipe fitting I can screw in, screw that into the fitting. Have it like a cap on the end of it, squirt fuel in there. Push it in here, the tennis ball in, screw this on, close the cap. Hopefully when the ball pushed in, and I ignite this, it should, yeah, have a flashback and burn all what's in there and just go, yeah. Or another way, I could do it, spray in there and push in with the tennis ball, and I'll push the fuel on, yeah. I'll push the fuel up through here. That might work, but I'm just going to work with there for now until I can find a better way of setting this combustion setup up. But yeah, it works good. Like a piezo igniter thing from one of those piezo igniters to spark that off. Make a thing. I can carry out the shoulder like a bazooka. All I do is spray the fuel in there, press the little trigger, and it will shoot the tennis ball. It's a little bit cool. It's light enough to have over your shoulder and use it as like a bazooka setup. It's just about the right colour too. That doesn't need to be in there. I just use that and block that with my hand, put air in there, and that forces the ball down. Instead of using the ram rod, I usually just use a broom handle and ram it in, but I'll just use air. Yeah, we'll try it with a broom. It's pretty easy to push the ball in. I don't know how far that went, but it's almost to the end. It's about a foot off. So now I'm going to find some way of putting air in there. See how we go. Put a hose in there, we'll give it a test. See how she goes. Okay, viewers, well, I think I found a perfect tank. This high pressure tank, and I've got a door hooked up to this quick release little ball valve, which will act like a quick release, just flick it open and close straight away when I need it. So yeah, just goes straight on here, straight to the oil in there, and bang, let's give it a test. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Basically, I've got too much of a small restriction, so the more bigger hole, the more air I can push through, the better it's going to work. But yeah, I have to work on this, but hasn't been too bad, so yeah. I'll put this back where it was, this little table here. Oh yeah, these little rear projection cabinets make good workbenches too. Perfect little working height, this little thing like this, so yeah. Basically I've got like a hole that's the size of this old Schrader valve, which is, yeah, 4mm hole. We're going to push a lot of air through that, that's why it didn't go very good, but yeah, I've made another hose, just cut a gas regulator off which is buggered, and used this gas hose and got a Schrader valve, took the rubber off it, tapped the thread in it, screwed it into where the, tapped the thread in this where I cut the regulator off. I use this for something else, so that'll come in useful. As for this, I've got to get some MAP gas to solder these on, so this will work out. So yeah, so the only thing left to do on this is solder that, hook it up, and do the electric side, and she's finished. But yeah, this was at, bubbles in the way, 150 psi, so it's a quick burst. Yeah, it's all full of oil to keep it going good, but so yeah, I still need to work on it, but yeah. So, thanks for watching.